Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Alex Shows You How to Cook Stuff show. Today we're going to be making cherry chocolate cookies. Now I know what you're thinking, those sound tough. Well, they're not. It's just a couple of easy steps and we're going to jump right in. But before we do that, we got to understand a little bit more about what we're putting into the cookies. Why chocolate over something, say, mint or peanut butter? Well, there's a whole lot of reasons, and we're going to jump right into those right now. But before we do that, we've got to understand, why are we putting something into the cookies in the first place? A lot of food gets better when you put other food into it. I'm going to show you what I mean right now. But before we do that, we've got to understand, why are we making food in the first place? There's a whole lot of reasons why we make our food. It's actually why civilization exists in the first place. I'm going to jump in right this second. But before we get to that, we've got to understand, why are we even eating food? Eating food, super important. That's how we all stay alive. I'm going to explain the top 5 reasons why we've got to eat food right now. But before we get into that, why are we even healthy to begin with? Well, if we're not healthy, then we're sick. But there's a whole lot more that we need to explore coming up. But before we get to that, why are we even trying to be not sick? Well, if we get sick and we're dying, then we're dead. And if we're dead, well, we can't eat cookies. I think we're ready. So the first step in making cookies, you want to take a medium bowl